Car wheels do more than just roll. They affect performance and the overall driving experience. Steel wheels and alloy wheels may perform the same basic function, but they differ greatly in construction and behavior. These differences impact performance and appearance in noticeable ways. Understanding them makes it easier to select the right option. Steel wheels are produced using pressed metal sheets that create a strong and rigid structure. This manufacturing style makes them dependable in demanding driving conditions. Their robust design ensures they can withstand heavy loads and rough handling without compromising safety. They are well suited for rough roads and heavy usage. Alloy wheels are made from aluminum-based metal combinations that allow advanced shaping. Their lighter composition makes complex designs possible. This reduced weight also contributes to better overall vehicle performance and smoother handling. This results in a more refined and modern wheel design. Steel wheels add more weight to the vehicle because of their dense construction. This extra mass places a greater load on the suspension system. As a result, acceleration response can feel slightly slower. Alloy wheels reduce overall rotational weight significantly. This helps the vehicle move more freely and smoothly. Steering and control feel more responsive, especially during turns. Steel wheels emphasize functionality rather than visual appeal. Their design remains simple and plain, focusing on durability. They are often paired with covers to improve appearance. Alloy wheels are created with style in mind and feature detailed patterns. Their polished or painted finishes enhance the vehicle exterior look. This makes them a popular choice for modern cars. Steel wheels perform reliably on uneven or damaged road. They absorb impacts well and usually bend instead of braking. This makes them suitable for harsh driving environments. Alloy wheels perform better at higher speeds due to efficient heat dissipation. This helps maintain braking performance during long drives. Stability and control are noticeably improved. The heavier nature of steel wheels requires more energy to keep the vehicle moving. This can slightly increase fuel consumption over time. Efficiency may be reduced during urban driving. Alloy wheels help lower rolling resistance. The engine works less to maintain speed. This often results in improved fuel economy. In conclusion, steel wheels are ideal for durability, rough roads, while alloy wheels excel in style, performance, and fuel efficiency.